Viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss about what we need to do if we have fever, cough and cold. Because of the coronavirus outbreak, everybody is very tensed. Please try to be calm. Don't get too tensed about it. Okay. Because we all had viral infection previous year or the year before that. Okay. So usually it settles. So especially during the fever season, you have to be having a good rest, and if you have fever, take plenty of fluids and also take food which is easy to digest and good in immunity power, like vitamin C rich food like green leafy vegetables, fruits you take, and any food you make sure that it's thoroughly cooked and eat. Likewise, you avoid any alcohol drink, high sugar content food, and also cake, oil rich food, fried items, those things. So this is related to food and rest. Any small fever or cough, cold, you can take medications. But if the cough is not settling, fever is not settling, or you are having breathing difficulty, that means the rate of breathing is very high and having giddiness, then you need to go and see your doctor. When you are staying at home, when you have fever, cough, cold, try to stay in separate room and also avoid contact with kids and also very elderly people whom may have other health issues. And if at all you need to go out, wear mask, so that it is prevent the spread to the others. If you do have any health problems like heart problem or diabetes, you continue with your regular medication and follow the doctor's advice as before. The second tip is to prevent infection to others. You try not to go out or mingle with people or handshake with people, and avoid traveling and going to the crowded place. Whenever you are coughing, you take the tissue and cover your mouth and nose and then cough. Dispose the tissue immediately in the closed bin and hand wash. If you do all these things, the spread of infection will be less. Even if it is a coronavirus infection or any viral infection, the spread will be less. Whenever you have symptoms which is not settling, then you seek for medical help. Don't be panic. Please be aware of the symptoms and look after yourself whenever you are having cough and cold. Please subscribe to NRG Healthcare and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.